cutting hours of work into just minutes? What if Outlook itself could write, summarize, and organize for you? That's the power of Copilot. Here's how it works. Drafting emails. Copilot writes them in your tone, formal or friendly. Buried in long threads. Copilot summarizes instantly. Scheduling chaos. Copilot suggests the perfect times. Let me ask, how much time would you save if AI handled the boring parts and left you to shine in the big moments? That's not the future, it's Outlook Copilot right now. So the real question isn't what can Copilot do, it's how far will you let it take your career, because this is just the beginning. Follow for more. MS365, Copilot Magic by TechnoServe Digital.